Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about the fundamentals of SQL, and we will use the SQL Bowl website to do some practice. Let's get started. SQL Bowl. The link will be in the description for this website. If you can check it out and practice. This website is very good for the beginners, and it has very easy interface, and it has lots of interactive tutorials. SQL is a structured query language designed to allow both technical and non-technical users to query, manipulate, and transformation. We'll go directly to some tutorials. In this lesson, the queries are about select. This is a interactive tutorial. We'll start from here. Questions, exercises are from exercises here. Find the title of each film. Then what we have to do is select the title from movies. Yeah, this one is correct. Now find the director of each film. We will write director, D-I-R-E-C-T-O-R. Director. These are the list of directors selected from the movies table. The name of the table is movies, and find the title and director of each film. If we need to find the title, two columns at once, we have to use TITL, comma, and we got title and the name of the director. All. Find the title and year of its film. Title, and I'm not sure what's the column of the year, so I'm gonna check from here. Yeah, this one is released year. Now I will do title, title, comma, year. Now we got title and the year, and here is in this question asks us to find all the information about this film. If we need to find all the information from the table, we have to use this strict. See, we got it, everything: ID, title, director, year, length. Now we completed this tutorial where we learned how to select the statement or select the data, how to retrieve the data. The main purpose of the select statement is to retrieve the data. Now we'll move to another queries with constraints. Here we will learn about select, from, where statement. Where statement is all about sorting or filtering the data, and we have definite certain condition. Here it is all our conditions, standard numerical operators. SQL is and in between, and numbers is within range of two values, not between. Number is not within the range of two values. In exists in a list, not in doesn't exist in a list. Did you know, as you might have noticed by now, SQL doesn't require you to write the keywords all capitalized, but as the convention, it helps people distinguish SQL keywords from column and tables name and make the query easier to read. SQL is non-sensitive to is a letter case. We can use a small letter or capital letters, but we will always prefer to write in uppercase so that the keywords will be differentiated from the column name or table name. Let's get into this exercise. Use the right constraints. Find the information we need from the movies table from is below. Let's start it. Here is a find the movies with the row of ID number 6. Row ID number 6. We need to do ID number 6. Select title from the movies where ID is equal to, let's write in capital letter, where ID equal to 6. That means we got the name of the movie of the ID number 6. This helps to filter or sort out the data from the table. Now find the movies released in the years between 2000 and 2010, where year it's between 2000 and 2010. It's between. Yeah, I did a mistake writing is between, but the correct syntax was where year between. This between represents the all the movies released from 2000 to 2010. Now we made it right, and we went. Now we move to another question number 3. Find the movie not released in the year. We have to write not between. That means all are the list of movies that is not in between the 2000 to 2010. Find the first Pixar movies and their release year. Title and year from the movies. First 5. That means limit 5 limits up to the 5 rows. Row 5, it will not exceed to 6. That means it is a limit. If we could have lots of rows, but we can limit up to 5 as much as we required. Now we'll move to another question, another topic. SQL lesson number 3. Queries with constraints is a part. When writing where clause with columns containing text data, SQL supports a number of useful operators to do things like case insensitive string comparison and wildcard pattern matching. We show a few common text data specific operators below. Equals to is case sensitive. We have to use string. We have to use a semicolon for the strings. Not equal to like not like, percentage is like. All the strings must be quoted so that the query parsers can distinguish words in the string from SQL keywords. Find all the Toy Story movies. Select title from the movies, capital, where Find all the Toy Story movies. That means Toy is the name of the movies related. Percentage, that means all the Toy Story movies like Toy Story 1, Toy Story 2, Toy Story 3. It will write. Find all the movies directed by John Lasseter. Find the movies directed by. Find all the movies directed by directed. Find the title. Title for the movies. Where director is equals to John Lasseter. You have to use a semicolon because it's a string. Toy Story or Box Life, these all are directed by John Lasseter. You see how this where clause help us to filter the data from the table. Find all the movies and director movies, not by and not movies. It's easy. We have to write this one. This means this is not equals to John Lasseter. Find all the wall movies title. VIA movies like the wall percent. This what's that? Find all the wall movies. I need to see. Wall movies. Wall E. Wall G. Find title. Select title. Where title like select the title. Yeah, we made it right. Now we can continue. It's not only about solving the problems. We have to understand the concept of all these statements. This is the fundamentals of SQL. Without this without the understanding of this basics, it's very hard to master this SQL course. SQL lessons number 4: filtering and sorting query results from where conditions. Even though data in the database may be unique, the result of any particular query may not. Take our movies table for example. Many different movies can be released at the same year. In such case, SQL provides a conventional way to discard the rows and have duplicate column value by using distinct keywords. Distinct keywords, this helps to give the unique data. Since the keyword will remove all the duplicates and used by grouping and group by clause. These are the directors of Pixel movies also without duplicates. List, select STINC. This gives a unique DIS. TINC distinct. Title. Title, distinct title from the movies. Order by. Order by. All the directors. Oh, sorry, it's a directors, not title. Directors, order by directors. Director. Yeah. We have to write the correct spelling. If you do mistake in errors in your spelling, it makes much more differences. So be careful in your spelling as well. List the last 4 Pixel movies release order from most recent to least. Recent to least. Last 4 Pixel movies. Select ATLD. Order of recent. Order by title. DS. Year title. Is the release date. And limit is also 4. Because this question is asking list the last 4 Pixar movies released order from the recent. That means descending to ascending. This helps to order the data from big from large to small. List the first 5 Pixar movies is sorted. Now title from years first. Order by title alphabetically. 5. For if we want to arrange the data, order the data from ascending order, we don't need to write ASC we don't need to write ASC, but if we write also, it's not a mistake, but it will work anyway. List the next 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically. Next 5 movies sorted. This means offset. Offset 5. LIM. Let's continue this one. Now we have to review the simple select queries. You have done a good job. Yeah, we have done a good job because we have finished the basic select statement, select queries. What is how to basic queries, like we understood the select from, where, other, limits and offsets as well. Did you know positive latitudes corresponds to the northern hemisphere and positive longitudes corresponds to the eastern hemisphere? Since the North America is north of the equator and west of the prime meridian of all the cities in the list of positive latitude and negative. Let's get started. List all the Canadian cities of their population. Where countries will Canadian. Select from the North American cities, city and the country. Now we use, instead of equals, we use like statement. Anyway, we pass it. Order all the cities in the United States by their latitudes from the north to south. Order from all the cities. Select city. This one is the name of the table. Where country. North to south, north to south, north hemisphere. I can't solve this problem, so I need to check the solution. Select the city, latitude, and city and latitude from where the country United States, and the order by latitude is this. And I select the cities. Select the city, longitude from North African city, where the latitude. List the 1,004th largest city by the population. City, select the city. And select the city. Okay, we'll discuss about the joins in tomorrow next video. For now, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing.